Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. Today we're going to look at how you can log into your HSBC online banking. If this sounds helpful, watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss a video from us. HSBC Bank is a British multinational banking and financial service company. HSBC's international network comprises around 7,500 offices in over 80 countries and territories in Europe, the Asia Pacific region, the Americas and the Middle East, and Africa. To log into your account, open up a web browser. Now, in the URL, type in hsbc.com. Now the official website of HSBC will open. Now you can see there is an option called online banking. You will need to click on this option. Next, you will need to choose the type of banking and your location. After you've done so, you will need to click on the Go button. Soon after that, you will be taken to the official website of your related location. Now to log in, click on the Log On button on the top right corner of the screen. Start in by typing your username. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on this button to retrieve it. If you want this device to remember you, you can check this box. After you enter your username, click on the Continue button and then you'll need to enter your password. If you have not registered yet, click on the Not Registered button. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.